हरि ओम।
हरि ओम।
Today is very beautiful day because everybody looks very beautiful. You too. What are you doing? Oh my God, this is big drama. So, आप लोग कहाँ से पधारे?
हम भरूच से आए हैं। भरूच से आए हैं।
भरूच से?
हाँ जी।
सभी लोग?
हाँ, चार लोग।
अच्छा, बहुत सुंदर। बैठिए, बैठिए। So, what is significant today?
That you're still with us
Good.
today here.
You good? Very good. तो अपन थोड़ा सा we are talking in English. I think it will be much better. Or Hindi. What do you want? English.
Whatever you like.
Hindi.
How many people are Indian? I think Indian more than English people. Okay, okay.
हिंदी, गुजराती, शांति।
Gujarati, good to live in silence. For listening, for talking. When people are talking in Gujarati, I am witness. So, I don't know what I want to say. And depend with you, what do you want from me, from existence? Then maybe existence support for that. So, you give any idea? Then I will start something.
Baba, ashram is in silence now.
क्या बोलिए?
आश्रम इज साइलेंट इज इन नाउ।
Yeah,
अभी आश्रम साइलेंस में है कह रहे हैं, कोई बोल नहीं रहा।
Ashram in silence.
yeah. You can talk about the benefit of silence is giving, if you like.
कहते जी साइलेंस के बेनिफिट बताओ जी।
How you can reach us in silence and we can reach you in silence.
In spiritual language, there is not good word, benefit. If you are thinking in spiritual way, any kind of benefit, you are wrong.
So support.
Here, you can't get anything as a benefit. Because in spiritual way, people are living in dissolve process. You are melting with existence. There, this idea, benefit idea, is barrier. Because you are here for melting with ocean. We are all. So I can't say, I cannot persuade people that this is the benefit. If I persuade the people about, it will be wrong from existence message. And here we are just for melting with ocean. And this melting process is beautiful process. One of the best process. And you can't compare any benefit like this. You have it. You are already in melting process. If people are doing meditation, they are in melting process. Only mind has this idea that you will get something, you will be something. You will be never nothing. Never. You will be not. This is totally different dimension of the life. A beautiful dimension of the life. To be melted with ocean. It called real love. For example, you want to love with someone, then you have to melt. Otherwise, you can't get the taste of the love. You just melt. How much you are melting, you are in love. So love is not a quality for doing. Just melt. And automatically, the glimpse of the love coming up. So, there is nothing for benefit. So, any kind of question, if somebody has it, then I will try my best. इसका सुनना है यार, my ear is very big. Somebody.
I always have the thought what to do in the future, and I wonder where's the involvement in there. Like, why do I ask myself this that often and over again? So how can I drop it?
किसी ने सुना है इसे?
Future orientation.
हैं?
Continuous continuous thinking about future.
तो मैं हमेशा
जी लगातार जो ना फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचता रहता हूँ.
Especially career like this kind of.
दिमाग में एक विचार आता है कि हमेशा फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचा जा रहा है, तो इसमें उसका इन्वॉल्वमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है फ्यूचर के करियर के बारे में. उसको कैसे ड्रॉप करें?
What happened? Actually, deep down, future never exists. It cannot be exist. This is only psychological process. If you want to be free about this process, then necessary to understand this is only psychological process. I know the future about you. I know very well. Nobody knows, but I know about your future. And everybody has same future. all of us has one future. You will be enlightened. This is your future. I know very well. This is 100% true. Otherwise, nothing is there as a future. It seems like you are thinking about the future. You are thinking about the past. You want to maintain your past. It seems like a future. But you can't think about the future. Thinking process always comes from past. You surprise. About future nobody can think. Because future, when you are in future, you are enlightened. There is nothing for think. The whole thinking process will be disappear. Then you will be in future. There will be no single process about thinking. There is your reality. Future is your reality. You surprise. Your enlightenment. Your godliness. And people have this idea they are thinking about process, future. It's a totally wrong idea. You can't think any single idea about the future. Watch yourself. What you are thinking about the future, it is all garbage from the past. The whole thinking process comes from the past. There is nothing for future actually. Nobody can enter in future by mind. But you can enter in past. Lot of garbage, hours, kilometers long, you can think about the past. But single idea, you have nothing about the future. Because future, nothing for thinking. It is your reality. You are. Future means you are. You are in future. And you are thinking about, this is past. And people are thinking, it seems like a future. It seems only. But there is nothing. Deep down you watch it, deep down. You could not get. If you forget about your whole past, you can think about future. You think? If your whole past disappear for a moment, you can think about future. It means nobody can think. So only people has need to understand this phenomena. Okay. If you are thinking about the future, this is nonsense thinking. People are living in illusion. They are thinking about past and feeling about future. Or always thinking about the past. Because future is not exist anywhere. Your past is exist. Deep down past also not exist in my language. Existence it exists here and now only. Here and now. But your past or future like this actually. River coming from the Ganges, source of the Ganges. If you are very much down, then there is future and past. Future and past. River coming from somewhere and going to somewhere. Going to somewhere called future. Coming to from somewhere it called past. When you go higher and higher and higher and higher, same time you can see Germany and India at a time. Germany and India at a time you can see. High, you go high. You can see the Ganges river from the starting to last at a time. There will be future or there will be past. There will be only existence. Nothing is future, nothing is past. You can see the whole river at a time. Wholeness, just starting to last. When people are not very much attained the past, automatic, they will be high. Why people are not going high in Sahasrara here? Why they are not going? Because they are always thinking about the past. And they image the future. The river is coming from here and it is going there, like this. Life is going and life is going forward also. It's all illusion. Life is not coming from anywhere. And life is not going anywhere. Life is here and now, always. You surprised. Only you are not watching your fullness. If you are watching fullness, you are fully here and now. You are fully here and now means you are very higher. Like you are looking the Ganges from the sky. When somebody living here and now, then he is very higher. And higher, you can see birth to death at a time. At a time, birth and death. Not two things. Same time you born and same time you are going to die. This is only mind game. You are 50 years old and more 50 years you will be. This idea you are 50 years old, very wrong. When I ask, you are really 50? It seems like it today. Very deep down, it seems like it today. I born today. You surprised. Only this is idea. And idea by collective mind. And you will be, this is idea, you will be 50 years more. You go higher. Like I am saying, you go higher, then you can see the river of the Ganges source to the ocean at a time. Then what is? You think about the birth or death, or you are beyond from both? You will be beyond from the both. You never born, never die. You are not high stage of the consciousness. That's why this illusion. Every day you are feeling yesterday was this, yesterday was day before yesterday. Nothing was there. You're surprised. Because you are going here, then everything going to dark. You know dark. You are going forward. Your torch is looking something. This is your future. And you are coming from this way, this is dark. Dark is your dark part. Your dark part is the past. Or your little bit light by focus of the torch. It call your future. And future, immediate, every step become a past. When you go by torch, then the light became a darkness. Every step. So every step you are becoming dark because you are down. You are only the down. When you are higher, if you are living the higher consciousness, then there will be no darkness. Light always there. Because you are not going like this, you are going like this. And when you are going like this, then both sides of the edges will be same for you. There will be no difference. then you can see death and life. Same thing. You born, your birth and your death happen same time. Like you can see, because you are looking. At a time you born there, your birth and death. And you are beyond from the both. You never die. You never. This is simple phenomena actually. People not aware only. If people are aware, then they will go high. If you forget your past, you will be immediate high. And for forgotten of the past, live here and now. Just start. Every moment, every action, every activity should be in this moment. Automatically you will be free with your past, because your present moment is very tasty, very loving, very blissful. This moment. Why you think about the past? Means this moment is not good. You are here in hell, that's why you are thinking about your childhood or nonsense things, many things people are talking about the past. Look, what are you doing here? If you are here and now, your mind will not work there. Because at a time your focus will be there. Double arrow. You will see same time your past and future. If you can see, there will be no darkness. Or darkness called the past. And the focus of the torch, it seems like your future. And when you are running, you are going blind. This is darkness. You go up, and people are living in this process, step by step. Every moment become a dark. In front of you, very little bit life. Very little bit life. And every moment this life missing, then you are fearful also. Because you know that today this happening, then tomorrow will be disappear, like this. But nothing can disappear. You're surprised. It is there, with light. When you are higher, then you will be free with this all kind of things. Then when people are free from death and birth, their life start. Surprise. Real life start, then you are free from the birth. Otherwise, you are dying process. You are not in living process. You are every moment in dying process, fearful. You are feeling maybe next moment I will be or not, I don't know. Anything happen with me. But you are in higher, then you know the whole mystery about wholeness. You are never born. In a higher, you will be free with death and birth. Then reality. Then real life start. Until people are not understand the mystery about the birth and death, they are an illusion. They are not real life. This is not real life. It seems like a life, but this is not real life. So, and very simple phenomena. If you are start to live here and now, then automatically past disappear. Disappear means it will be lightful. The focus will be behind also. Because you go high. You have a lamp. You have a lamp. And with light you are going up. Then light going this way and this way and this way and this way. Around. Then you can see at a time everything. Then what is future? What is past? Everything is this moment. Everything is this moment. You can see the wholeness at a time. and yourself also. When you are living with torch, then yourself blind. You are in darkness. Because torch cannot see itself. There will be torch focus to others. In front of the torch there is light. Itself, torch has no light. Torch itself living in darkness. You surprise. In front there is light. And around there is darkness. If you have a candle or like a दिया को क्या बोलते हैं अंग्रेजी?
earthen lamp.
हैं?
Earthen lamp.
Yes. And you go up. Then yourself also, yourself lightful, like it. Yourself also you can feel light and around the light. So people are living with lust, with many desire. Desire create focus of the light. And at a time you have one desire, then focus change, then other desire, then focus change here, then other desire. Because the light of the torch is there, you want to know that thing, you want to take this thing, you want to attach that thing, the desire comes there actually. And other things, dark, same time. But you have a lamp. You are a lamp like this actually. Then you go up. Then yourself also lightful and around the light. Then you can see at a time behind also light and future also light. The consciousness quality like this. If you are conscious, then a light goes around you. For example, it seems like you are missing many things here. When you are simply living present moment, here and now, then you surprise, you can feel, you can see behind also. You can see at a time behind also actually. Everything around of you, you can living knowingly. Nothing is blind. When you are more aware, then you can see your cycle go like this. Then you are more aware, then your cycle goes like this. Then you are more aware, then cycle is going very broad. Then everything merge in that cycle. Then everything in this moment, everything under the light, your light. Like for example, you are looking this space by eyes, the everything is same moment in front of you. But this part not. Back part not. When somebody going in consciousness, then like people are living, mostly people are living in 90 degree. 90 degree, just one part of the life, other side blind. When your awareness going, then you go 180. You go 180. Then little more lightness. Then you go little more. And when you will have a complete cycle, then there will be no darkness. Everything, then whole mystery of the existence in front of you. Because nothing is dark. Your cycle is complete. You are complete in cycle. But people are living certain corner in the light and other part totally blind. And when you are aware, every day your graph growing. Every day. I can say every moment. If you allow, I can say every moment you are growing your cycle. Then you are more and higher. Then you merge everywhere. You are not looking by eyes. You are looking just like you are looking me, I am looking you. This is just for focus, torch focus. If I am looking you, then I will see 100%. I can enter to you. I can feel you. I can enjoy you. I can drink you. I can love you. And I am here. Surprise. This is the real lifestyle. You can see the tree, you can merge there. Because you are higher, then around you are looking. Not only this part, around. Your light can reach every corner. Then you can see, then you will feel fulfillment. You will feel what a creation of God. This is not tree. This is more than tree. This is not a man. This is much more than man. This is not a woman. Much more than woman. If you can feel much more than woman, then love starts. You surprise. If you can see this man, not only man, more than man. Why people love master? You know, they have this idea, this is little bit more than human being. More than human. When I was in front of the Osho, never I feel this is human being. I was feeling this is, how can say this man is man? This is much more than man. And you can say this is godliness. You can say very easily this is God. When once your barrier broken, just like you are looking the girl, the barrier of the girl should be disappear. If you are looking like a more than girl, much more than girl, the barrier finished. Then you can go very deeper, and there you will find the godliness. Surprise. Because godliness everywhere. You can eat, you can drink, you can see, you can touch. The whole sense will be satisfied. Everywhere godliness. Only you start. So don't explain this is this. Certain flower, this is not only flower. Here, what you are looking, remember it. Don't explain this. No. This is certain part you are looking, but little bit more close, little more open, little more love. Then slowly you will enter the tree. Then the tree became something else. You are only the looking, this is tree. But you are looking with love, very deep love. Then tree disappear, or there will be something else. You surprise. So what a great life. What a creation of godliness. God is everywhere. Little hidden. This is the art. This is the God art. Hidden somewhere else. But this is beautiful also. You start to see little bit. And not only first part. Little bit go. Like a X-ray machine. Or little bit more. Then this barrier disappear. If your focus like a X-ray machine, then you will not see the structure or cloth or this or that. You can see little bit more. Then little bit more than X-ray machine, then there will be nothing. There will be godliness. Because Nothing can reflect to you. There is no barrier. So what are you doing? This is your reflection only. Just like you are looking the girl, you are not looking the girl. Your light reflection come back to you. You are looking the tree. Your light reflection come back to you. You are not looking tree. Nobody can look tree. This is the only reflection of the tree comes to your eye, and it seems like a tree. Because your focus is very big, very big. When you have a real focus, that the tree will be not barrier, tree will open for you. And you can merge there. And the reflection will come back from there like a godliness. There will be nothing, everywhere you can see. Godliness come back to you. But if barrier is there, then your focus come to you. Just like you are looking the grass. You are not looking grass. This is the projection of the grass coming to your eyes. And you are looking like a grass. Very very poor life style. If tree is tree, girl is girl, boy is boy, then very poor life. This life you can't satisfy it. Life has much mystery. You are always much more. Don't feel satisfied here. You are man, or you are rich, or you are this, or you are managing this whole drama. No. Why you feeling poor? Because deep down you are not poor. You are very rich man. Very rich man. I know very well. Everybody is very rich here. Because everyone has a godliness. You surprised. Everyone has godliness. So only nothing for only going meditation. Only meditation is not enough. Start love with grass, with animal. Fully merge there. Feel. You start with feeling. People have a feeling with sense only, little sense. But whenever you can sit under the tree, don't think about the tree. You live with tree. Just live. One of the best environment here. You surprised. Because very easy you can feel godliness in this environment. Very so easy. And meditation is helpful for this. Only helpful. Not enough. Helpful. Then you start. Look the flower. Little close. Feeling. Open. Open for that. Then you surprise. This is real meditation. When you will be open, then you will be in this moment. Your past disappear. You are higher. You are in love. You surprise. Everything in your support. Here. Everything in your support. Nothing is barrier. Only the art of living. You have to learn. How can live with nature? How can live? Live with love. Love means not saying love. Love means just feel. Once in a while, you have your girlfriend. Once in a while, you are feeling love. Then suddenly mind comes. It becomes a desire. Then drama. Then crying. Then many things happen. Here, nothing can happen. So I can say you start here. There will be no desire. The love will be endless there. No desire. When you have a girl, there is end. When somebody finds the girl, love disappear. Some drama start. Love disappear. There will be, if you get the girl, there will be no love. Until you did not get, I can say there is little love. Because you are little flowing. When you will get, then you will get a hell. You surprised. So don't think about getting. Live in love. Live in love. I allow everyone. Live in love. But don't feel for getting. Why you not living in this continuity? This reality. Then love will be always. If you are not feeling for possession or for something like this, then there will be love, 100%. So you start here, flower, everything. And one of the best human being, the creation of the existence, because these all things, you surprise, in a boom of existence. These all things, even animal, ants, everything, in a boom of the existence. Only the human being out of the boom. You surprise. The whole things, whole nature, boom of the God, in boom. Already in boom. It is not coming out. It will be come out when it will become a human being. You surprise. Only human being out of the boom. Then there is big difficulty. Everything living in boom, they are not worried about anything. All kinds of ants and animals and tree and this or that, already in boom. Just like, for example, child is living in boom, in mother boom. There is no need to think about. But when it will come out from the boom, it is starting very difficult to forget the mother. Then immediate baby come out from the boom, then hunger start, then need to mother, then start milk or this or that or that. Then what happened with us? You were in the boom of the existence, and now you out from the boom, and you are searching again boom. You surprised. You are searching again boom. Just like, for example, I am saying, baby comes from the mother, and slowly, baby going little bit far away from the mother. And one day, baby will get a other woman. Then, baby forget the mother. Because when man will get a woman or woman will get a man, then it seems like they found something else. Then boy free with father and mother, girl free with mother. Totally free. This is normal phenomena. Mother means God. God like a mother. You surprise. First you are living in boom of the mother. Then mother get out. Then you are suffering. Then during the suffering, you are getting awareness, challenge, and more aware, and more aware, and more aware. And one day you will get a bride woman. Here, this is, for example, I am saying, here you are coming out from the womb of existence like a god. And in starting, you are far away from the God. That's why you are doing many nonsense things, this or that or many things. But this all process for awareness. That's why nothing is bad. Only people has need to be aware about all kind of activities, all kind of action should be with awareness. Or one day, like somebody will get a different woman, and they are living together, and they will feel, they will be totally free with that mother, and they will get a real mother, like this. And they will get more than mother actually there. You will get again God. When you will be suffering with awareness, the suffering will be there for standing, and one day you will be more aware, then one day you will get a again mother, like a God. Again you will enter the womb. Then you are complete. So the creation of the God, like a human being, like his witness. If this process will not happen, everybody had been in the womb always, then how can you say God exists here? So when baby comes from the womb, it goes the suffering. It is starting up to 20 years, 30 years suffering, very much suffering. Then it will get a other woman, then life start. Then different life start. This is, for example, I am saying. And human being, like a real human being, when you are suffering and aware, then one day you will be able to understand that everything is boom in godliness. Because very difficult to feel you in boom. But when you are very sensitive, then you were like this tree. And you were in boom, then you can feel the essence of the boom from the tree, from the animal, from everything, from flower. Because everything, this moment in boom, you surprise. Then you touch, then you remind, then you reach the boom of the existence. This is not simple. This phenomena happening around of us, this is not simple. This is in boom of the existence, boom of the godliness. And when you are aware about this mystery, then you can feel. Direct you cannot go to boom. With this process, with love, you will reach the same process. Then you can touch the flower, you are together, because flower already in boom. And you were in boom. Then you will be very much happy. You will feel dance, because you know the mystery of love. Flower don't know the mystery of love, because it is already in boom. But you know the flower of mystery of the love. What a creation of existence. The whole creation created by existence is a love, feeling of love. Then you can feel. This is not normal things. Then human being, then if you have a love with everywhere, then you can love with human being also. More love. Then you can enter there. You cannot see the difference between anything. Because in boom, nothing is different. This is out of the boom. When again you will be boom of the existence, then everything together with you. Then I can say you never born, never die. You are already in boom of the existence. And everything the boom of the existence. The process of the death of birth just for awareness, just for knowing this mystery. This is excuse. Deep down, nobody born, nobody die. When you will be again with womb, then how can you say death or birth? How can you say? If you will go again to same place, there before your birth, you are in womb. And after the understanding, you are in womb. Then how can you say birth was there and death was there? Both are illusion. Nothing is there. So that's why I am saying only meditation is not enough. Love. What a great phenomenon. Love with everything. Because already in womb. This tree is already in womb. You can feel the intuition from there, from godliness. You surprise. The whole world is so beautiful, so beautiful. Everything is so beautiful. Because already in womb. Oh, you are out of the womb for understand this thing. Only for understand this phenomena actually. That's why human being is great in my language. Because only human being can understand. Human being, one day you were there. When you love the tree will become a slowly human being. Because you are supporting to come out from the womb. When you love, it means you are supporting to come out from the womb. Like you have an animal, you love even ants. It means you are supporting. Animal is already living in womb. And this in womb, nothing is complete. When come out from the womb, they understand the whole mystery, then there will be completion. So you are sharing for everything. And everything sharing to you also. Like a love. Maybe this is very serious or people can understand. Very difficult to explain. I hope maybe people understand. Or they will start. Love. And enjoy. So I think enough for today. Now my book. Thank you very much for listening. कल आ जाना थोड़ी देर बुला लेंगे. Love for love. जा रहे हैं आप?